The IRS has extended the deadline for when you need to file your taxes to July 15th due to the coronavirus. So what does that mean? Hi, everyone. I'm Mark Lichtenfeld, Chief Income Strategist with the Oxford Club. As I just mentioned, the IRS's deadline for filing your taxes is now July 15th instead of April 15th. So what does that mean for you? Well, I think there are two main things. First of all, your IRA contributions or your tax deferred contributions. Now, most people typically will contribute to their tax deferred accounts by April 15th because you can take that deduction on the previous year's taxes. So for example, in a normal year, you would, let's say, contribute $1,000 to your IRA, let's say on April 1st, and you can take that off your 2019 taxes if you did it on April 1st, 2020. Because the IRS deadline for filing your taxes has been moved to July 15th, there's some confusion about what that means for your contributions to your tax deferred account. It's actually not clear. The IRS has not definitively said whether you can extend that contribution deadline to July 15th. I've talked to a lot of CPAs. I've read the IRS's rules, and it is still not clear. So here's what I suggest. If you are planning on extending when you're going to file your taxes to July 15th, I would still make any contributions to your tax deferred accounts by April 15th, just to be sure. And that's if you want to take it off your 2019 taxes. If you don't care whether it's 2019 or 20, then you can make the contribution anytime you want, even after July 15th, and you'll still get it off your 2020 taxes. But if you want that 2019 deduction, I would make sure you make that contribution to your IRA before April 15th. Now, like we said, you have until July 15th this year to file your taxes. So should you do that? I would suggest no, unless you absolutely need to. Now, some people, because of the virus and the effect on their business, it might be necessary, or you could have very complicated taxes. So if it's necessary, sure, take the time. But if you don't need that extra time, I would get it out of the way, because first of all, taxes are such a pain in the neck, so just get it done with anyway. But 73% of Americans receive refunds every year. So if you're one of those 3 out of 4 Americans who receive a refund, you might as well get the money now. Go get that money. Don't give it to Uncle Sam to keep for 3 more months. It's your money. Get it. So file your taxes on time is what I would suggest. No need to extend it unless it's absolutely necessary. All right, well, thank you very much for watching. Lastly, be sure to check out my other tax-saving tips in this series, Sticking It to the Tax Man. And we also have another video series for you called State of the Market, where I talk about how to handle this crazy, volatile market. It's something you don't want to miss, especially as the markets are swinging by thousands of points seemingly every single day. So be sure to check that out. You can subscribe to this channel, and please leave us your thoughts, your comments, your feedback in the comments section. I'll talk to you soon.